Dive into the hidden crypto gems. Get ahead in the crypto race by smashing the subscribe button and ringing the bell. Today, we spotlight Coldstack, the trailblazer in the world of decentralized cloud aggregators. It's not just a game changer, it's the future of data storage. Coldstack's genius lies in its efficiency and security, providing the easiest route to the power of decentralized clouds. The native token, CLS, is your golden ticket to this realm. With a market cap exceeding $380,000 and a circulating supply of roughly 1.5 million, the potential is enormous. Picture this: Filecoin, Storj, Arweave, and more, all accessible with one token. Coldstack isn't merely a platform, it's a revolution in storage. Peaked at $6.78, now hovering around 25 cents, Coldstack is a treasure chest waiting to be unlocked. Are you geared up to ride the wave of this storage evolution? Stay ahead of the curve, subscribe, ring the bell, and uncover more with the hidden crypto gems.